Hi, and welcome to another video by Cluster Repairs UK. Today we will be showcasing the spare part complete display screen for the 2010 to 2022 Ford MFD High onboard computer display. Found in models including the Fiesta, Focus, C-Max, Kuga, Connect, Tourneo, Transit and Ranger. Some of the most common faults we see include the screen turning completely white, loss of contrast or faded colours, half or partial display missing, heavy lines appearing across the screen, or even a completely blacked out display. Here's an example of a faulty display. The display is completely black. For a service backed by history and trust, look no further. Cluster Repairs UK, proudly serving the UK and global motor trade since 1986 with award-winning customer service. And now, following a complete repair, the results are crystal clear. The screen is fully restored, responsive, accurate, and operating just as it should. One of the biggest advantages when purchasing from us is the 14-day free access to our in-depth trade-level tutorial video. It's a step-by-step guide designed to help you complete the job confidently with a professional finish. At Cluster Repairs UK, we supply only genuine factory-authorised parts, sourced directly from trusted European distributors, backed by a 12-month warranty and rigorously quality checked. No factory rejects, no B-grade stock, just premium parts you can rely on. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back with more very soon.